All right, so to create this text around a circle, we normally would write one letter and then array it and then change it, and that was very tedious. But in AutoCAD 2000 and I guess 2018 or 2020, they have added a new command that enables us to just simply write a text around this object. As you can see, if I click on this one, it is considered to be one object. It's not an array, okay? It is just a text. But before that, we have to create an arc, okay? And usually, we can't create this one using a circle. It must be an arc. That's why you can see that this one is only highlights half of it, and the other half is also separate. So to do that, what we can do is we can start creating a circle. And once we have the circle, we can cut this in half by drawing a line from the quadrant. So QUA, enter, and then click here, and then QUA, enter, quadrant to quadrant. And then simply do a trim to trim the bottom. And then we'll do a mirror. So you can select the top, press enter, select one point, select the other point, and then answer no, I don't want to delete it. And then simply erase the line. So now you have a circle, but it is actually made out of two arcs, one on top, one at the bottom. Okay. So to put the text now here, we don't need to put one letter. We're not going to use this text, but we are going to type in the new command, ArcText. Okay, ArcText. There you go. ArcText. And the ArcText will ask you to select an arc. If we have a circle, we cannot select that circle. It must be an arc. So we have to select the circle, the arc, and then this box will pop up. And you can type in whatever series of words you want. So let's put in uh, School of Engineering and Sciences. Okay. And then you have these options over here. So what I normally use is just I want it always to be on center of the arc. So I click that. Okay. And then this one will either put the arc above, okay, or put the arc inside the arc. Okay. So if you want it to be inside, you click this, and then you simply type in the size. Okay. You type in the size. You want it to. The width factor usually is just one, so you can leave it at that one. And then you can also adjust the character spacing. Okay, you can also change your font here, and then your layers also. But we're just gonna leave everything as is. Text height, whatever what you want number, but the width factor should be one. So click OK, and then your text should now appear here. Okay. Now, if you wanted to edit this, let's say, oh, it's too small for me. I simply have to type again ArcText and then click this time. We're not going to click on the arc. We're going to select the text, arc text that we already have on screen. So click that and the box will appear and you're now ready to edit. We can change the size of this one, 5. We can put in extra spaces. Somehow only having one space on the spaces seems weird. And then click OK. And then it will just pop in like that. Okay, so that's too big for us. So we're going to type arc text, click this one, and then again change that to let's say 2.5. And then click OK. And there you go. Now, what if you want a text that goes this way? Okay, so that's why we have this bottom arc here. So we're going to copy this height here. So arc text, and the height of this one I believe is 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. Okay, so we're gonna type arc text and select the bottom arc, and then this time we're gonna put in Sacramento Unified School District. We're gonna accept 2.5, and then this time we want it to also still be center, and then we want it inside, and then these two will change whether which direction your arc goes. Okay, inwards means the text will start from the right going to the left, and this one will start from left going to the right. So if you click this one first and then click OK, you're going to see that this one is just like continuing this letter. So we don't want it like this. We want the bottom ones to start from the right to left. Okay, not left to right. Okay, so to do that, you type arc text, you select the text, and this time you wanted this one, inwards towards the center. Sometimes you can't remember which one is which, so simply select one and then click OK, and then if it doesn't, if that's not up to your liking, you simply click ArcText and click text and edit again. So now it goes this way. Okay. So we don't need to do one letter in array. We can now do the new command ArcText, and then you can actually change other stuff like here with factor. With factor, one is by default. If you want it to be wider, you have to put in a number bigger than one. So 1.2, and then click OK, and that will be wider. So you can see it became wider. Okay. So if you don't want it wider, you want it narrower, and you can put in a number less than one. So 0.8, for example, and click OK, and then now it's narrower. Okay. You can also put in extra characters here. In the text itself, you can simply go and find I think it's symbols cc .cc. Oh, that's not it. Symbols. What is it? Um, I think it's symbol. Okay, symbol SCC. So here's a star. You can pick any star that you want. You simply click on it, uh, and then click copy. Okay. Once it's copied, you go back to AutoCAD, and then you ArcText this one. Oh, ArcText. Put this, and then go to the very front, and then Control V to paste it. There you go. At the very end, put a space and Control V, and click OK, and then the special character will be added there. Okay, so no more arraying of letters to create this rounded letters around a circle or an arc. We're going to use ArcText, and that's how to use it.